Today, we're going to do a Reiki chakra healing. If you are here, I trust that this is for you. Simply comment yes in the comments if you are ready, open, and willing to receive this potent and powerful chakra clearing and alignment Reiki today. Okay, go ahead and let's just like roll your shoulders and shake off the day and take in a deep breath. Exhale, think the word release. Just move around a little bit, take in another deep breath. Exhale, thinking the word release. Let's start with your root chakra. Get another deep breath. Throughout the chakra clearing, I want you to pay attention to what you're noticing in terms of thought and sensations that may be happening in the body. Feel free to pop those in the comments too. Super fun to hear. This one can sometimes feel warm. So if you notice like your body just got warm, if you notice kind of like a rise or flame activation, all normal. Sometimes you don't feel anything. Sometimes you just feel tingling. It's all normal. Take in a deep breath. Let's go ahead and activate on your sacral. Paying attention to what you're noticing, what you're feeling, the sensations. So we'll keep each of the chakras activated with the healing frequencies as we move up. Yep. So our root chakra is tied to, it's out of balance. It holds a lot of like fear, guilt, shame, resentment, anger. Those are like the top five I talk about quite a bit. So I want to clear those out. We want to get you back to your power. Your sacral chakra is your creative center, your sexual energy, a divine feminine, that connection to your essence, your creativity. Go ahead and activate your solar plexus. Begin a deep breath. I felt some fluttering like almost immediately. We're also noticing there's some heart chakra stuff going on. And I set the intention of who it is that is receiving this video. I'm intentionally connecting to your energy across the lines of time for you to receive the interesting things that come through for you. So your solar plexus is your personal power. Can feel like a lack of confidence. Can also feel like busy mind. It's connected to your mind. So anytime that you're feeling like your overactive mind, like straight to the solar plexus, let's like calm this down. I'm feeling some sensations in my back as well. Back is subconscious, directly behind where our solar plexus is. So when it's the front side of the body, for me, that's conscious. Backside is subconscious. So there's something coming up that is probably, you probably haven't noticed it, but I'm going to activate this energy to be able to step into your awareness. And I'll share with you how quantum illumination does that. But something with something at a subconscious level that had been holding you back from like stepping into your personal power and your confidence, like that own it energy. Own it energy in a way that's in alignment for you because this looks different for everyone. Taking a deep breath. Let's move to your heart chakra. The Quantum Illumination Reiki, with traditional styles of Reiki, we see that it heals at a 3.5D to 4.5D frequency. It heals at a conscious, physical, and energetic level. With Quantum Illumination Reiki, we're healing at 5D plus frequency, working with the energy in the quantum field as well. And it heals, yes, at all the areas of conscious, physical, and energetic levels, but also subconscious, cellular, and DNA level. So go ahead and move to your throat chakra, take in a deep breath. So what this means is that the healing is more potent. It heals at deeper depths and higher heights. As the world continues to awaken, it requires higher frequencies. Not that one thing is better than the other. It's not, it's simply that as the frequency of the planet raises, it requires those higher frequencies because everyone else is at those higher frequencies. Taking a deep breath. Let's go to your third eye. And Quantum Illumination Reiki does just that. And I think there's a lot of things I really love. The benefits are truly, truly limitless. But one of the things that I really love is that it's it's gentle on the nervous system. So sometimes healing can feel like you're buckled into a rickety old wooden roller coaster, and you're like, when am I going to get off this thing because it's throwing me around? And I thought it was going to be fun, but it really hurt my back. And instead of it feeling like that, it's more gentle on the nervous system. Feeling very thirsty, make sure you're drinking a lot of water and hang out because I will give you the post healing tips as well to support you. We're going to activate the crown chakra, healing frequency. Take in a deep breath. Exhale, think the word release. Each of these 7 healing frequencies are all different based on the chakra. There are 13 keys with Quantum Illumination Reiki, and they each do something different. And as we go to the higher levels, level 3, it goes higher and higher in frequency. And then there's also alchemy as well. Feeling a little lightheaded with this one. So if you're feeling that sensation, just breathe into it. We're taking you up in frequency. Take a deep breath and release. Okay. Thank you so much for receiving today. So my encouragement for you is to grab a journal and write down what it is that you notice, or even also, I would love for you to pop into the comments and tell me, what did you feel? What did you experience? What did you notice? Which chakra felt most activated? I would love to hear that from you. And if you want to learn more about Quantum Illumination Reiki, I've got my free Quantum Illumination Reiki Insider in the caption, as well as a little bit more about the healing frequencies that you received today. Go grab that free insider, learn more about Quantum Illumination Reiki. If you want to dive into learning more about the certification program, just DM me at Quantum. I'll put that in the caption as well for you, or the description rather, so you can reach out to me on Instagram. And make sure you go check out the other videos. Feel free to watch this one time and time again. I'm so excited and honored to have had this opportunity to support you in your healing, and I will see you in the next video.